Serve the food. Serve the food. Why have you come so late? Why have you come so late? I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. I made my decision. I made my decision. Who broke this? Who broke this? Why don't you say something? Why don't you say something? How about tomorrow? How about tomorrow? Do your work yourself. Do your work yourself. I have made a decision. I have made a decision. Why don't you eat something? Why don't you eat something? Let me work. Let me work. Our class consists of 20 boys. Our class consists of 20 boys. Don't go too far. Don't go too far. Do not chat. Do not chat. Do your work correctly. Do your work correctly. He went outside for a breath of fresh air. He went outside for a breath of fresh air. Understand the value of time. Understand the value of time. Don't gesture. Don't gesture. Are you listening? Are you listening? Do not wink. Do not wink. Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Think before you speak. Think before you speak. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. What is over there? What is over there? Write in English. Write in English. This shoe belongs to him. This shoe belongs to him. Try to understand my point. Try to understand my point. Don't favor me. Don't favor me. I am good for nothing. I am good for nothing. What did you do then? What did you do then? Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Let him take time. Let him take time. Speak quickly. Speak quickly. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. I have come for a shower. I have come for a shower. They came after eating. They came after eating. He was crying in his room. He was crying in his room. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. Move aside. Move aside. Did you take a bath? Did you take a bath? Why are you so tired today? Why are you so tired today? Why are you making face? Why are you making face? He tiptoed into the room. He tiptoed into the room. You are a false figure. You are a false figure. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Try to understand. Try to understand. You are a number cheater. You are a number cheater. I do not feel like studying English today. I do not feel like studying English today. Walk on the tiptoe. Walk on the tiptoe. Looks like milkman is coming. Looks like milkman is coming. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.